This video is to discuss what happens if you bend a piece of RAUPEX pipe too tight in a way that it actually kinks the pipe. So in general, our RAUPEX PEXa pipe is made to be very flexible, so you can go to about 5 times the outside diameter of the pipe in a radius without it kinking, which is a nice feature for tight bends like that. Let's say that you do actually go too far and put a kink into the pipe. You've got a couple different options. You could cut that out and then just put in a fitting to make that bend very tight, a nice 90-degree angle there, whatever you need. Or the next thing that you could do if you want to is take the pressure off of the system, so make sure that it's not under air pressure for pressure test or anything like that. And then you can take a heat gun to it, so you wouldn't want to use anything like a torch, anything with an open flame, because that will melt the pipe. But if you use it's almost just a hair dryer, an industrial paint stripper type hair dryer heat gun, you can heat up the pipe and then it will actually relax that curve back out of it. That's something that's a benefit of using a PEXa product. This isn't something that all types of PEX allow you to do. And when you put it back together, what you would want to do is make sure if you had a fastener here and a fastener here that caused that tight bend, you'd want to adjust those. So you might need to move those back because this will actually harden right there, and you could put that same kink right back into it if you didn't adjust the fasteners. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. You want to get about that close, and you can rotate all the way around. This will be warm to the touch, so make sure that you don't put your finger anywhere near the area that you're heating. You can see that it's relaxing that kink right back to the normal diameter of the pipe as if it just came off of the assembly line again. So once you get that all the way back, I can still see a little bit of a dimple there. Once you get that back to a full round, you can turn off the heat gun and then just let that cool. And then again, adjust your fasteners so you don't put a kink right back in that same spot. So each piece of pipe will look a little bit differently depending on the color that we have. So for the blue pipe, that's what it looks like after heating it and letting it cool. So it looks almost exactly like it did before we started. Some of the other colors of PEX pipe, so we've got the UV shield, our red, white, or blue, white, and red. And then I also have a piece of our heating pipe, our oxygen barrier pipe. This one will actually bubble and wrinkle a little bit as you heat up that the jacket of the pipe.